Alright, so this is the engine freshly pulled from the car, all the accessories off. It's pretty gunky, so we're gonna put some degreaser on it and pressure clean it. Now we got it all pressure cleaned up. It's looking real clean, real nice. It's time to start taking things apart and seeing what went wrong with this rotary engine. So this will be the oil pump. All of this slides right off. The gears are not timed or anything, so you can just slide this right off along with the little guide pin. Pretty self-explanatory. This one right here is spring loaded, and make sure you remove that and set it aside for when you flip the engine over. You don't want to lose it.
And then he said some shit.
So I found this block of, I'm assuming it's some like head gasket sealer or something that must have been ran in the engine.
Yep.
Pretty crazy. Right here you can see where my gasket failed. I have all my rotors set aside. Everything is set aside real smooth. Here's the housings all torn apart. I'm gonna show you right here where the gasket failed and the iron actually failed too. It broke in right there. So we will have to, we're gonna try to get that repaired. If not, we will be buying a new one. But right now we're looking to see for our best option. Everything else looks real nice and smooth though. Looks like it can be reused, so not the seals obviously, I just mean the housings here. This was 134,000 miles, original engine, never been opened before, and it was obviously burning coolant due to the failed gasket, but apart from that, it actually ran really well. And these right here are the famous apex seals. These are the common failure point on the 13B. I'm not really experienced, so don't take what I'm saying for it. It's just what I read on the internet. But yeah, I mainly took this video as a mental note for me, so I know how to rebuild the engine when the time comes. Yeah, I'm just posting this in case anyone else is curious and you know, wanted to see what a rotary engine looks like taken apart. This is it right here. This is just me showing how the apex seal goes, so you know I have an idea of how it goes. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.